Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Mesi B and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make these delicious spicy marinara half shell mussels. Stay tuned. For the ingredients, we have sea salt, basil, spicy marinara sauce, Mezzetta brand, black pepper, garlic, and 3 cloves of garlic. And then we have the mussels washed. This is the brand that I used. They were frozen. Now I'm just chopping it up. I don't have the little grinder, so I just chop it up by hand, mince it up really nice and small. I lost footage, so what you want to do is just saute these in olive oil on a medium heat. Let it sizzle. When it becomes fragrant, then add your sauce. After you add your sauce, just let it come to like a little boil and cover the pot. Here I am stirring the sauce around. And now I'm going to add my mussels. You want to make sure you wash any protein that you get from the supermarket, just because they're nasty and, you know, you want to take care of yourself. So make sure all of this is coated because you want every mussel that you bite into to be like serious, just delicious. Okay, so let that settle for a little bit. I'm going back in and stirring it, making sure everything is coated. I also added the garlic powder, pepper, and all of that. You can just add it to your liking, and the sea salt as well. You don't want to overdo it with salt, so it's always to your liking. Just a pinch of salt, not too much. Here I am. I'm adding basil. Now you can add as little or as much basil as you would like, but for me, I went crazy with this stuff. And then I'm turning it down to simmer, barely cooking. The pot is already hot, so all these basil leaves are going to do is just wilt down and become more flagrant and flavorful. Yeah, I told you I went crazy with the stuff. Yeah, I'm adding more basil, stirring it around, making sure everything is coated, making sure they get a chance to really wilt down and get the flavor going in there. So this is really simple and easy. Like, you barely need to do any work. Just put it in the pan, stir it around, make sure you got the right ingredients. Oh, and bam, yes, here we go. Look at that, delicious. And I made a side salad with some white rice. Those were my sides. Very delicious. The salad had avocado, onion, feta cheese, and tomato with a little Italian dressing. Here's me trying out the mussels. It was so good, y'all. Oh, look, yeah, it was hot. Very hot. Bow, 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 bow. This is my husband. He tries to act like he doesn't like my food, but he does. He's trying it out. Let's see his reaction. Yeah, boy.
Don't put on the camera.
Chef's kiss. So thank you for watching. I cook here and there, so if you want more cooking videos, then please just let me know down in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.